4 belongings you didn't realize the way to organize t-shirts. Will figuring out how to sort out shirts keep them that way? Do you actually have a morning that is hurried or unpleasant on the grounds that you can't discover the shirt you need to wear? Or it is wrinkled? It is stunning how a chaotic storeroom can influence your entire day and your life. This sort of pressure is avoidable, however genuine when it is going on. How we are dressed establishes a connection with individuals if we like it. We know this, so not having the option to locate the correct outfit is an undeniable pressure. A coordinated closet will assist you with having mornings that are more zen and tranquil. When everything is in its place, it is anything but difficult to see and discover immediately. Shirts give an additional test as they are floppy. Yet, they can be restrained and coordinated with the remainder of your closet. A less distressing morning is an advantage for you and everybody you live with. My young people feel the pressure in the first part of the day. They are not as insightful in keeping their wardrobes coordinated as grown-ups, no huge astonishment there. On mornings when they can't discover the t-shirt they are searching for, the entire family unit is loaded up with dissatisfaction. They have numerous t-shirts, and despite the fact that they are hard to keep coordinated, I discovered something that works for them. Presently they can see their closet and it is looking quite prepared to wear. 4 belongings you didn't realize the way to organize t-shirts. 1. Hang them. The arrangement I thought of for my youngsters, just as the entire family, was to hang up the shirts when they are dried. This encourages them to not be wrinkled or get wrinkled. You can undoubtedly observe them hanging in the storeroom. 2. Store vertically. To store them in a cabinet, overlay flawlessly and afterwards slide them in vertically. This way you can see them and rapidly approach without burrowing around. 3. Roll them. For cabinet stockpiling, you can likewise overlap them 50-50 long shrewd and afterward move them up. This assists with limiting wrinkles and makes it simple to see them.